Iron mineral. Introduction. The main function of iron is to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. Select true or false. Correct. Iron is needed to make hemoglobin, which is a part of blood that carries oxygen and carbon dioxide through the body. Can iron deficiency cause anemia? Select yes or no. Correct. There are many types of anemia. One type is caused by iron deficiency. People without enough iron may feel tired and weak. Select true or false. Correct. Iron deficiency may result in iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia can make people feel tired and weak because oxygen is not being transported throughout the body correctly. Which vitamin helps the body absorb non-heme iron? Choose one of the following options. 1. Vitamin D. 2. Calcium. 3. Vitamin C. Correct. Non-heme iron is more difficult for the body to absorb than heme iron. Taking vitamin C can help your body absorb non-heme iron. The recommended daily intake of iron is based on age and not gender. Select true or false. Correct. Recommended daily intake of iron is based both on age and gender. Women need more iron during reproductive years and when they are pregnant. Is an excess of iron in the body harmless and easily cleaned out through waste? Select yes or no. Correct. Not much iron is excreted from the body through waste. Extra iron may be stored in the liver, heart, or other internal organs. The extra iron can damage organs. Thank you for using Explain.